On Tuesday morning, the defense brought another expert witness to the stand. Retired CPD and SWAT officer Jim Scanlon told the jury it is his opinion that Adam Coy's actions in shooting Andre Hill were consistent with federal and state law enforcement standards, telling the jury an officer has to react to a reasonably perceived threat.
You can't wait until that force is used upon you. You have to react to that threat.
In court on Monday, Coy testified he was confident Andre Hill was holding a gun.
When he turns towards you, what do you see?
Silver revolver in his right hand.
But what Coy thought was a weapon ended up being a set of keys. In court Tuesday, defense attorney Mark Collins comparing those keys to a revolver while questioning Scanlon.
What's the primary color of the keys?
Silver.
What's the primary makeup of the keys?
Metal.
And looking at a silver revolver, what's the primary color of a revolver?
Silver.
What's the primary makeup of the material?
Metal.
During his emotional testimony Monday, Adam Coy told the jury how he felt after realizing Hill did not have a weapon.
I went in shock. I started dry heaving. I couldn't control myself. I couldn't think straight. Everything just went as a blur to me, and I knew I had just been involved in an officer-involved shooting. Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Anthony Pearson questioning the defense's expert Tuesday about whether or not Coy's emotions excuse his use of force.
Let's say an officer uses force and they feel bad because of the amount of force that they used. Just because they feel bad because they used force, it does not necessarily excuse the force that was used, does it?
No, I mean, it's a normal reaction from my experience, what officers feel after the fact, especially if they realize they've made a mistake, certainly, but it doesn't equate to the actual use of force or the reasonableness behind it.
On Wednesday, we expect the prosecution to bring their use of force expert, Seth Stoughton, to the stand. Stoughton testified earlier here this year in the trial of former Franklin County Deputy Jason Meade, as well as Derek Chauvin's trial. Chauvin is the former Minneapolis police officer convicted in the death of George Floyd. That witness testimony expect to kick off our day back here in court on Wednesday. Closing arguments could happen as soon as Wednesday afternoon. On your side, I'm Kate Seifert, ABC 6 News.